Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I want to share with you, these are the basic threads from Missouri Star Quilt Company. They sell them in these small sizes like this. This is it's 50 weight thread, 500 yards on here, and then they also have big spools. I usually have the big spool. That is what I used when I pieced this quilt. This is my willow new pattern, and then also when I did the free motion quilting on it. And I used a white on it, and it just kind of blends into all the other colors. So Missouri Star sent me 2 of these. I get to keep one, and I get to give one away to one of you. Like I said, it's a 50 weight thread, 500 yards on each spool. There are 2 white, a black, and a gray. So this would be great to have in your quilt room and to use. That's the basic colors. It's all you need. So I've got a form down below. Just fill it out, the information. This is only for U.S. addresses. Sorry. And it'll run till the end of January, and then I will pick a winner and ship it out. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed seeing this, and be sure to visit Missouri Star Quilt Company and see what else they have. Thank you. I mentioned that these are the small spools are 500 yards. They also sell the big ones, and I've got several of these. This was my off-white. I seem to use off-white more than anything. And this one, it's 50 weight, but it is 3,000 yards on here. And to me, this is the greatest value. So just a little tip. Thanks.